Right? Beautiful. Lovely. So it's going to be so super easy and simple. And if you are suffering from high blood pressure, then this is something we can also do at home. It's going to be super easy and super simple. All right. Now, a lot of people are suffering with high blood pressure. A lot of people use lemon, and some people use lemon and garlic. Some people use pomegranate seed to make juice. Some people use okra. Every one of us body is different, okay? But you can give this a try and say if it works for you, okay? Now, right here, I just crushed 2 cloves of garlic, as you can see it in my hand. And I'm going to put it straight inside of this cup right here, okay? Now, I'm going to get some okra, all right? This is okra. The name of it will be in the title, okay? So I'm using 3 okra, all right? And I'm going to cut them up very small like this. And this is also very good for lowering your sugar level also. All right, so you cut up 3 medium-sized okra. All right, and I have a large container right here. So all I'm going to do is pour some water inside of it like this, okay? Now, once you leave the water inside of it, what you want to do, you want to cover it like this, okay, guys? And once you cover it, what you need to do is to leave it for at least 45 minutes to an hour, okay? After 45 minutes to an hour, then what's going to happen is going to be you're going to be seeing the difference of the water, okay? Or you can leave it for at least 2 to 3 hours, or leave it overnight and drink it first thing in the morning, all right? Now, I'm going to simply say to you, what you can also do with this drink, it is simple. All you have to do, you can Google research what's the benefit of garlic and okra, all right? Now, drink this, and this can also help to reduce your level of your sugar level. But don't drink it one time. You have to drink it at least 5 days straight and see how it reacts to your body. Every one of us body is different, but I would encourage you, give it a try and see how this works for you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned in. We got a lot more tips and a lot more ideas will be coming for you guys. And I know you guys definitely will love this one. All right. So yeah, just stay tuned in and leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. All right. As you can see it for yourself. Very simple, but trust me, it's worth it making this drink at home.